with a twist. Alright, kasi ang questions natin ay coming from the fans, the KD buddies, okay? Tinanong namin kayo at ngayon tatanungin namin siya, okay?
Oh, sige.
So ito, may mga handpicked questions tayo for you, but of course, para fair, gumamit tayo ng TCL Digital Randomizer. So ito na yun, lalabas na yung mga questions nyo!
Yes, at dito sa monitor natin, sa LED.
Alright, let's go for our first question! Randomizer, go!
Ito na, ang first question. Ayan. Ito, no? Partner, ayan. Kat.
Ang
What does a Kultura summer actually look like for you? Yan, kasi, di ba, no? Teka, may sasagot. Sige. Ayan, are you more of a stay-at-home person or do you prefer being out in the sun?
Okay, so for the first question, for me, Kultura Summer is about staying cool, of course, making memories and keeping that fun and proudly Pinoy spirit alive wherever you are. That's why nandito tayo ngayon, American Filipiniana too, you know. Very important to keep the Filipino spirit alive. And sa second question naman, I think before I enjoy going out most of the time. But now, parang recently, I like staying home. I like to enjoy my quiet moments and I like to to reset myself. Maybe because my line of work, I'm always out. I'm always talking to people. So may mga days lang na, you know, I just want quiet Netflix night and then just good food. I'll just work out and sleep. Parang it's like the best gift now. I don't know if because I turned 30, kaya I like the parang more quiet hangout. Sometimes if mag-hangout kami ng friends ko, I just invite them over or parang mas intimate, not too much people. So I like to do that.
So now you're a homebody.
Yeah, I would say yes. I like staying home.
And you're watching a TCL. We wonder, ano yung pinaka-latest na pinanood mo na gusto mo?
Oh, now I'm into psychological thriller. So yung last siguro na napanood ko was Mr. Mercedes. Baka lang curious kayo, share ko lang. So Mr. Mercedes and ano ba? Sharp Objects, yan. So I like watching something medyo dark.
Ooh,
Yeah.
mysterious.
Yun nga eh. Yeah.
Thrilling. Parang ano kaya mangyayari?
Yeah, may mga killer, yung mga may action. I enjoy that.
Sige.
Second question.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
So, randomizer, go! Second question na tayo. Yan. Ano kaya ito? Ay, ito. Yan, partner.
Ito, your question is, what is your ultimate secret to staying productive and cool-headed even when the temperature starts rising?
What's my secret? Ano to, like sa aircon lang, no? Yun lang naman. Siguro it's making sure my space stays clean and breathable. So now I like organizing my place. Like, I don't want, feeling ko kapag makalat yung lugar, di ako makakaisip masyado. So, I like to organize, linis ka lang ng linis. And also because, since I like staying at home, I like, of course, to just turn on the aircon and make everything parang very relaxing and breathable. So, napapasok yung TCL Fresh in 3.0 aircon. I mentioned kanina because of its AI technology, I appreciate it the most because hindi mo na kailangan i-dictate yung temperature. So, nag-a-adjust siya depende sa room temperature. So, I find that very useful as well. So, yun lang. I just need my TV and my aircon and then pwede mo na ako iwan doon for a day. Sobrang low maintenance ko. Yeah.
Parang si Kat hindi napapawisan, no? Kapag nasa bahay. Alright, so yeah, great way to stay cool sa init ngayon. Now, for our next question. Randomizer, let's go!
Ito na ang next question kay Kat. Ito. Yan. Kapag naman ikaw, no, ay nasa cool staycation, yan ang nasabi mo kanina, Katrina, no? What is your go-to binge watch habit? Aside dun kaya sa sinabi mo na
Psychological.
meron ka pa bang ibang genre na gusto before, na napanood mo rin na nahook ka?